Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. U.S.-based investment company Blue Mahoe Capital Caribbean is moving ahead with plans for an affordable housing development in Yallahs, St. Thomas, which could eventually deliver 600 homes targeted at NHT contributors. The company has signed an agreement to acquire the first 25 of a 188-acre property as part of a partnership with East Rock Construction for the development of Montpelier Estates.
Blue Mahoe Capital says the wider development is expected to comprise approximately 600 two-bedroom homes across 6 phases, with 100 units planned for each phase. Chairman and CEO David Mullings says the units are aimed at making home ownership more accessible to public sector workers and is expected to be priced at or below $30 million.
The goal is to have all the units available to NHT contributors. This is how we can help to solve the affordable housing crisis in the Caribbean. And that means that we need to be pricing them below 30 million Jamaican dollars, possibly even lower than them. So we really are focused on NHT contributors and ensuring that our teachers, our junior doctors, our nurses, our police officers, all the people, our civil servants, the people who ensure that Jamaica keeps working, can also own their own property.
Blue Mahoe Capital will initially participate in the first phase of the development and has secured first rights of refusal for the additional phases. According to Mullings, the company was approached to partner with the developer and was attracted to the Yallahs property because of its proximity to Kingston, ongoing road improvements in St. Thomas, and an existing NHT development located across from the property.
We're entirely focused on putting in the road infrastructure, and then we move on to water and sewage next.
A date for the official groundbreaking and start of foundation work has not yet been announced. The investment forms part of Blue Mahoe Capital's wider strategy to finance residential developments in Jamaica and address what it describes as shortage of affordable housing across the Caribbean.
Flow has expanded access to its 5G mobile network to prepaid customers, making the next generation service available to thousands more Jamaicans. The telecommunications provider says customers subscribe to its 7-day prepaid plans and above can now access faster data speeds, lower latency, and improved performance for streaming, gaming, video calls, and other digital services. The expansion follows Flow's launch of Jamaica's first 5G network for postpaid and business customers in June. To access the service, customers will need a 5G compatible device and a 5G enabled SIM card, which the company says is free of charge at its retail locations island-wide. To the stock market now, the JC index declined by 2,339 points, while the junior market index declined by 50 points. The advances were Spur Spices Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic, One Great Studio Company, MFS Capital Partners, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. The losers included Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Jamaica Public Service Company 7% preference share, Edufocal, Fosterage Company, and One-on-One Educational Services. 19 stocks traded firm. To currency trading now, at the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.56. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.24. The pound is going for $215.52, while the euro is selling for an average $184.05. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our Bite of the Week, they're all next.